back to my channel. So today I did this dramatic look, as you can see. Now I know I say that I'm going to try more natural looks. I promise that I am going to do one. But the colors and the dramaticness just be, it be like, Angel, do me, Angel. So I had to. I mean, what else can I do? She was talking to me, I was talking to her, you know. But anyway, so if you want to see how I created this look, stay tuned. Oh yeah, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and start off with the Plouise base like we always do. And we're going to go ahead and put that on the eyelid and go ahead and blend it out. Alright, so the first palette we're going to use is the 39A Morphe palette. We're going to go into the black shade, and we're going to go ahead and put that into the crease. And we're just going to make a line where we want to cut it. Alright, so now that we have the black down, we're going to go ahead and add some more color to it. And the next palette we're going to use is the Masquerade, and the shade is Bory, and it's that pink color that's in it. So with the pink, we're just going to put it right above the black, and then we'll go back and forth between the colors to blend them together. So like what I was talking about, blending the colors, so going back and forth, we're putting more of the black and more of the pink. That way the shades blend well together and it's not just a harsh line. So next we're going to go in with the Morphe 39A, and it's called Vivid. And we're going to use that brown color to tone down that pink just a hair. That way it's not a defined line up there by our brow. Okay, so also with blending, you will lose some of your colors. So I do go back and forth between the colors to add the colors back into the look. as y'all can see, I'm still blending my little life away. My arm at this point got tired, but I kept going. Alright, to cut our crease, we're still going to use the Plouise base, and we're just going to carve out the shape of my eye, just like how it is on the other side with the Plouise base. Alright, so what I found out is when I'm carving out my crease, I prefer to use my eyebrow brush, which is the Anastasia brush. I can't remember the name of it, but it's one of the eyebrow pencils from Anastasia. And then I go back in with my regular flat brush to clean everything up once I already define my line. And it always comes out clean. Alright, for the bottom part of our eye, we're going to use the same colors. We're just going to take the colors closer to our eyelash line. So just like the top part, we're going to go ahead and take this pink and we're going to go ahead and blend that into the black and upwards somewhat, but not all the way. That way we leave some room to put the brown down. And this was the point where I noticed that one of my wings were higher than the other one. But it's okay because I wasn't going to wipe it off and do it again. So I'm still, you know, blending it, trying to get it how I would like it. I don't know how everybody else would like it, but that's how I wanted it. So alright, so we're gonna go ahead and put glitter on, and what I'm using to put my glitter on is the dual lash glue, and it's in the clear. So that's what I'm using to apply my glitter. Alright, so for glitter, I'm using, it's called Flowers and Sunshine, and it's by Flutteredbyro. Y'all should check them out. They have some real pretty glitters. I have a couple and I love them. Take a clean brush to brush off the excess glitter. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and wipe off all the fallout, extra glitter, and clean up that wing. And to make sure that the wing is a crisp line, I'm going to use the Plouise base to carve out the wing. And then I'm going to go over it with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in Fawn. That way it blends in better. Alright, and then we're just going to go ahead and throw a wing on it, and we're going to call it a day. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara, and then I'm going to clean the wing up, and then I'll be back with the finished look. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.